Hey peeps. Okay, so people wanted to see a little bit of what I've been working on. This is excuse me. This is still in alpha stages. Um, Still being developed. This is my l4d2 add-ons manager. It will synchronize with the Steamworks API for l4d2. I'm gonna go ahead and start this up really quick here. Go ahead and show you. This will actually go through and multi-download the add-ons if they need to be updated or downloaded. So that's what that's doing right now. You can see that there is a master progress bar here that will actually show you a percentage of all of the data that needs to be downloaded, and it's actually synchronized down to the byte data. So it's not going to go by the amount of files. Like if you had like 10 files, it's like one's completed 10%. It actually goes by the amount of byte data that needs to be downloaded. So it's a precision setup, progress bar. So it'll show us how. I do have a little time remaining thing, which doesn't really work that well. Still working on it. I don't know if I'm even going to keep it. You can see that it's going through and downloading all of the different add-ons. So moving on here, this program will allow you to reorder your add-ons. So I could go ahead and reorder these. So the ones that are lower on the list take priority. So it would like load this one, and then it would load this, and if any data inside of this one, for files, it would overwrite in here, and that's how it goes down the list for priority. Excuse me. So that will allow you to resort the order of these add-ons. Another big feature is the ability to select all of your add-ons and enable them or disable them. You can always do it like this too if you wanted to do that. I am not done with it, but I do have a more advanced filter system that I'm working on. So archived add-ons, I don't actually have the system set up, so there are no archived add-ons, so nothing shows in that list. Subscribed add-ons, these will just show the add-ons that you are currently subscribed to. Excuse me. But you can see that we are almost done, looks like. Can't read what that says. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. It doesn't really work that well. I'm trying to figure out how to get like a more accurate response. Like mine is more like it will like it's set to go on average of 10 seconds to try and balance it, but it still doesn't seem to be as like accurate as I want it to be. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. I'd have to do the work to program that all in. Excuse me. But yeah, I am working on other features. There's going to be a custom tagging system, so you can add your own custom tags to add-ons, and that will allow you, to, like, for instance, if you have like a mod for like anime or something, you could like trigger it as anime, or if it's one for like an actual campaign, not just marked as campaign on the workshop, which everyone knows. Everyone just keeps spamming the tags, so everything's a campaign. But yeah, this will hopefully allow my friends who have to wait like 10 so minutes to start their game. It'll allow them to to quickly download what they need to download, or disable this. The archive add-ons is actually going to be a system actually built into the manager. Excuse me. It's going to allow you to disconnect it from the subscription list and allow you to either save a copy of the VPK off on your computer, or just archive the the workshop ID of it. And if you decide to come back to it later, it'll allow you to access it. There will also be a private add-on feature where you can actually enter a URL and allow it to add it as a managed private add-on, where it won't appear in the workshop, or that you subscribe to it or anything. So it's like you don't want your friend to know you like anime or something. There you go. But yeah, so far everything is working pretty good. I have some other things I have to program for it to get the the key value system. I haven't actually compensated for comments. I wrote a parser that will actually parse the data into a format that's easy to translate the data. And then after you're finished, you can easily convert it back into a file. So it's got some pretty useful things that I've built into it. I do have some other features that are far more advanced that require getting the VPK editing to work, or not necessarily editing, but like reading the VPK, the structure, getting a file out, and I guess also adding a file in. I guess that would also be covered. But yeah, I don't want to say anything about that because that would be a big project and there's a whole bunch of stuff that's going on right now. I don't know if I'll get around to getting that, but I will get the basic program out and working. I will be releasing an alpha build. It's not going to be 100%. I have not even tested this on Windows 10 yet. I assume it should work. The program accesses the registry to get the main install directory for your Steam, so it can get some other data for like the location of your Left4 Dead 2 that's like registered to Steam. So yeah, it's a pretty complex project, and actually it's almost done downloading here, isn't it? Yeah, just about done. But yeah, it's a big project. I have to decide some things on if I want to if I want to do them, or if I want to hold off for now. You can see here we're just about done. Downloaded all of our subscriptions, and when we start the game up after this is done, here it goes. All right. Now when you start up the game, it will register it, telling it that all of our add-ons are already up to date. So it'll still do its first check and stuff, but it won't download the add-ons because they're registered in here. And whoops, that's not what I was trying to do. But in here, if I change the order of these and click the Save Add-on Changes to l4d2, this will go ahead and change that that order of our structure, and it will let us, like start the order and keep our settings. Yeah, that's a little bit of what I've been working on. Probably talked way more than I should, but I will be programming in this other stuff later. These buttons here are going to be just debugs. And I have some other features, but I won't talk about them because I don't know if I'm going to do those. But yeah, peeps, that's what I've been working on past, I don't even know, weeks, I guess. Actually, it could be a month. Has it been a month? Maybe it's been a month. I don't know. It's been a hectic time. But yeah, peeps, we're going to go ahead and end it here. That's the little preview of what we've been working on, and you can expect to see it sometime between now and the end of time. All right, peeps, eyes out.